Hello, today we are working with the Orion mPulse Plus. One thing to keep in mind is the use of a microscope in microwelding. It is essential for control and precision. The Orion mPulse Plus gives you the benefits of a microscope and the lower price point of the mPulse. The mPulse Plus can weld any metal with a melt spot size ranging from about 0.5 up to 1.5 millimeters. The simple slider control on the touchscreen allows for quick and easy power adjustments. No need to learn a bunch of complicated settings and controls because the mPulse Plus only has one simple parameter, and that's changing the power. This allows you to get welding quicker and to make money faster. So try the mPulse and see how a microscope and a simple power supply can help you grow your business.